Challenges are supposed to help you improve your skills. So I've created a photo challenge for myself today, hoping to improve my photography skills. I've got my camera on a tripod and myself, and that's it. And I'm stuck inside this circle that I just made with a rope, and I want to try to create 5 unique photos without leaving this circle. It's gonna be interesting. Hope you enjoy. Alright, so for this first photo, I think I want to do something where I'm like jumping up in the air, like sideways, and try to get a shot that looks like I'm like Superman, like flying along above the ground or something. So I've spent like forever jumping up in the air and falling on the ground and looking through these pictures. Maybe there's one that's like okay, it's not exactly how I envisioned doing it, but I'm gonna keep shooting the rest of the photos and then I'll show you all of the results. I did bring my sunglasses, so I think this next photo I'm gonna try to do something unique with these, like a shot where I'm like, they're hovering above my hand. So I'm just gonna drop them and like move my hand down as I'm dropping them and just have the camera on burst mode and just like try to catch them falling in air basically. These are actually turning out really cool. I'm gonna try a few more with the camera over sideways like this. Oh, that one's perfect. Super stoked about this picture. All right, on to the next one. All right, on to the next thing. I'm already having trouble trying to figure out like what I should do next. Oh, I do have my shoes. Okay, I'm gonna try taking a picture of my shoes. Trying to do something interesting, having the camera tilted so the ground's like slanted in the picture, but then the shoe is also tilted in the other direction so it'll be level in the photo, and just try to get creative that way with the limited space that I have here and limited props that I have. I took 2 more photos after this, one where I was doing a handstand, and then I scrounged around and was able to find a stick, and I made a creative photo out of that, which you're gonna see here in a minute, because I'm gonna go inside and edit these photos, show you the final result. Yay, I'm leaving the circle. All right, so I finished all the editing, and here is photo number 1, the levitation photo, and I wanted to go ahead and show you all of the before and after editing on these photos. So here's this photo before editing, and here's after. This photo I did end up liking a lot more than I thought I would when I was looking at it in camera. The edits really helped. And photo number 2, the sunglasses photo, this is definitely my favorite out of all these photos. Here it is before editing, and here it is after editing. Photo number 3, the shoe photo. I like how this one, I turned it sideways. It did take me some experimenting around to come up with this idea, and I took quite a few pictures that I didn't like before taking this one. Here it is before editing. Here it is after editing. Photo number 4 is the handstand photo. Here it is before editing. Here it is after editing. And last of all, photo number 5, the stick photo. This was a composite, so I took 2 pictures, one with me sitting there with the stick, and one where it was just blank. I wasn't there in the picture at all. And then in Photoshop, I just layered these 2 photos on top of each other, cut along next to the stick, and deleted that part so it would reveal the photo behind. And this is a very common photo. I see this all over Instagram. There's another one of these pictures on my own Instagram page that I did before. But I think it's fun, so I do it every now and again. And I was actually kind of happy with how this one turned out. So guys, challenge yourself, get better at photography. If you want to do this challenge, then tag me, Luke Edwin Photography, in your photos that you post. Love to see your work. I also want to start reviewing your guys' photos. So if you're posting photos on Instagram you'd like me to see and then review in a YouTube video, it would help you guys gain exposure because I'd be telling people your name, showing them your art, your photography, and just talking about what I think about your photos that you tag me in. So tag me in it, and also do a hashtag Luke Edwin Photography so that I know that you want that picture to be in one of my review videos. Now, I need enough people participating in this in order for it to be worth my time. So it might be a while before I do one of these videos, but definitely want you guys to know about it. Go watch my other videos right here, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys soon. I'm doing a video almost every day. All right, bye.